Sandcat. The Sandcat is an armored vehicle developed by the Israeli company Plasan. The Sandcat is based on a commercial Ford F-Series chassis. Nearly 700 Sandcats have been produced since 2004, and although Plasan has never released full details, it is known to be in service with at least 16 users on 5 continents, and they perform a wide range of functions, from internal security police to combat and patrolling. The Sandcat is capable of carrying up to 10 soldiers and their equipment, and thanks to its powerful 6 and 7-liter diesel engines, high ground clearance and small turning radius, security units can carry out their tasks and return to base safely. Regarding armor, Plasan describes the Sandcat as a kit hull consisting of multiple panels bolted together with overlapping joints. The composition of the armor has not been disclosed, but it is assumed to include a steel base layer with a combination of aluminum, composite ceramic, and Kevlar external components. Merkava Mk3. The Merkava Mk3 main battle tank is the successor to the Mk2. It was first introduced to the general public in 1989, with production tanks entering service with the Israel Defense Forces as early as 1990. Production was discontinued in 2003, and a total of 780 of these tanks were built. It is still in wide use by the Israel Defense Forces, along with the newer Merkava Mk4s. The Mk3 has the same design as its predecessors. It reflects the individual requirements of the Israeli Ministry of Defense. This tank has improved armor protection, firepower, and mobility. The Merkava Mk3 is equipped with a fully stabilized 120mm smoothbore gun developed by Israel Military Industries. This cannon is capable of firing all standard NATO 120mm ammunition. Secondary armament consists of 37 and 62mm machine guns. The tank crew consists of 4 people: the commander, gunner, loader, and driver. It is worth noting that the Mk3 has a unique feature and can carry up to 10 soldiers when ammunition is unloaded. I-10 is Israel's newest armored personnel carrier, which is the first 8x8 wheeled APC. A number of Western components are used in this armored personnel carrier. According to some sources, 50% of its components are of American origin. I-10 has a typical design for a modern APC. It weighs about 30 to 35 tons and is well protected. In fact, it is one of the most protected wheeled APCs in the world. It has a V-shaped hull for better protection against mines and improvised explosive devices. Initially, the I-10 was planned to be equipped with the Mail Rouge active protection system known as Trophy. However, it was subsequently fitted with the Iron Fist active protection system. I-10 has a remote-controlled weapon station equipped with a 12mm and 7mm machine gun. Other armament options on I-10 include a 30mm or 40mm automatic cannon. I-10 is operated by a 3-man crew and is capable of carrying 9 soldiers. Merkava Mk4. The Merkava Mk4 main battle tank entered service with the Israel Defense Forces back in 2004. It is an improved version of the Merkava Mk3 tank. A total of 360 such tanks have already been produced, and another 300 were ordered by the Israel Defense Forces. For a long time, these tanks were not available for export, although some systems and components were offered to export customers. The Merkava Mk4 currently ranks among the world's top 10 main battle tanks. The Mk4 is somewhat larger than the previous Mk3 model. The new tank is one of the most protected tanks in the world and differs from its predecessor in having new armor. The upgraded Mk4 tanks are equipped with the battle-tested Trophy active protection system, which destroys approaching anti-tank missiles and projectiles. The Merkava Mk4 is equipped with an advanced 120mm smoothbore gun developed by Israel Military Industries, which is an improved version of the Merkava Mk3 tank gun. This main battle tank is equipped with a new fire control system, which includes a number of the most advanced features. One of them is the high probability of hitting helicopters with conventional ammunition. Puma. The Israel Defense Forces combat engineers needed a highly protected vehicle for frontline missions. The new vehicle was called the Puma. It entered service with the Israel Defense Forces in 1991. Several hundreds of mine-clearing vehicles could be produced for Israel. The main task of this combat engineer vehicle is to lay routes through minefields in conditions of heavy defense. It clears routes for armored formations and gives them freedom to maneuver. The Puma is derived from the upgraded British Centurion main battle tank converted into a heavy armored personnel carrier. The Puma has no turret and the hull has been modernized. In the course of the upgrade, the vehicle was also reinforced with passive armor mounted on the frontal surface, sides, and other vulnerabilities. Depending on mission requirements, this mine-clearing vehicle can be equipped with a variety of mine-clearing devices, such as anti-mine rollers or bulldozer equipment. The Wolf multifunctional armored vehicle was originally developed as a private project by the Weapons Control Systems Department for the development of arms Rafale. The first prototype was completed in 2002, after which it underwent extensive user trials with the Israel Defense Forces, which were completed in March 2005. The Wolf is based on an upgraded American Ford F500 and 54X4 commercial chassis with an all-welded steel armored hull to protect the drivers and passengers from small arms fire and projectile fragments. On both sides of the rear compartment for personnel is a long oblong bulletproof window with an additional round firing hole. The two doors in the rear open outward, and the right door on the top has a bulletproof window with fire holes. Armor protection is also provided. In the basic configuration, Wolf has a single-section hatch cover on which a machine gun of 5 and 56 mm or 7 and 62 mm caliber can be mounted. The Merkava Mk5, a new generation tank, has been in service with the Israel Armored Forces this year. The tank will be equipped with an upgraded active protection system to counteract the latest anti-tank missiles, as well as a 360-degree camera for day and night visibility and improved situational awareness, and a head-up display for the tank commander similar to that of a fighter pilot. In addition, the tank will be equipped with new sensors enabling it to detect targets independently and strike them quickly. It will also be equipped with electronic warfare and advanced information processing systems. Neymar. The Neymar heavy armored personnel carrier is a major component of the Israel Defense Forces modernization plan. The latest Neymar design is based on the Merkava Mk4 main battle tank chassis. It is currently one of the most hardened armored vehicles in the world. The Neymar is equipped with a modular armor and active protection system. The active protection system is used for the first time as an integral element. The vehicle is also equipped with radiation, chemical, and biological protection systems, as well as automatic fire extinguishing systems. The Neymar is able to provide the same level of protection as the Merkava Mk4. The baiting vehicle has a remote-controlled weapon station equipped with a 12 and 7 mm machine gun, which can be replaced with a 40 mm grenade launcher. There is also a 7 and 62 mm manual machine gun mounted on the roof. In addition, the vehicle is equipped with a new battlefield management system. The Neymar is designed for a crew of 2 and accommodates 10 infantrymen or 2 nasal soldiers.